That's the vibration.
Oh, it's because of the water, the way it works up there.
Well, the speed is changing with the vibration.
Ah, that's pretty cool.
So you point it straight up and see how it keeps going. See?
Pretty cool little place, eh? Hey, you know, a little something I was thinking about is what if we started doing like videos and stuff together? You know, I think we'd be pretty good at it. We wouldn't make anything interesting that people would want to watch, but I think it'd be pretty neat to start recording little stuff like this. You know, just little get-togethers. You probably can't hear anything that we're saying. It probably sound like a jet turbine or something, but that is still, you know better, because when you do, it's going to end up. I know with my hand. All right, we'll cut it here, but we'll get back to this some more, because I like doing this kind of stuff a lot.